So a gorgeous day here in Playa del Rey, and we're going to head along to Manhattan Beach. Is that right, Ellie?
Hi.
We'll update you on the way. There goes another plane. Absolutely brilliant along here, look at that. Thirsty work though, but it's very nice indeed, this. Very pleasant.
There to...
Nice place to stop apparently. The outlook's not that brilliant, but the beach down here, absolutely fabulous. We just passed a massive mobile home park. You can probably see it in the distance. See it over there? Okay, on we go. So this is Dockweiler Beach. So not the finest backdrop in the world, but a remarkable thing here, according to that plaque, is that this is the centre of hang gliding in the United States, which is absolutely fantastic. So we haven't seen one yet. Whoa! Well, apart from that one. So end of the line, here at Manhattan Beach. Job done. We'll catch you on the way back. So you end up eating ice creams on the pier. Absolutely the right thing to do at the seaside. Okay, it's time to head for home. I'm sorry we didn't get the chance to chat very much on the way back. In fact, we're most of the way back now, so we're doing it in one go. Could be the effect of the Navy grog, who knows. Anyway, talk to you in a minute when we get to the end. So there we are, we did the 7 miles all in one go, coming back. It was probably that wonderful lunch we had at Rock and Fish that did it. Good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So, it's a fabulous bike ride, and if you want to try that out, it's beautiful, it's completely flat, really easy, and great beer and food at the far end. So we're from Playa del Rey, here on the beach. It's Ballona Beach to Manhattan Beach, it's about 7 miles. 7 miles there, 7 miles back. Beautiful day, beautiful ride, beautiful California.